to the people. Don't mind the way I look right now. I just got out of the shower. Happy holidays. I know that by the time I post this, those will be a little bit past. I hope everyone had an amazing time celebrating however you celebrate, spending time with the people that you care about and doing fun things, taking a break from work and school. Hopefully. This is New Year's Eve. The amount of times that I have started filming a day and didn't finish it, you would be surprised. We're gonna hold myself accountable today. We're gonna film the day. We're gonna edit the day. We're gonna post the day. I am going to do my daily journaling. I kind of fell off the wagon with this. I used to journal every morning. As pretty much everyone on the planet knows, New Year's resolutions don't usually work out, which is why I do monthly resolutions. I only think about January. What do I want to accomplish in January? What are some steps that I want to take to achieve larger goals? This allows me to hold myself a lot more accountable, and it also stops me from biting off more than I can chew, and it's just a lot more achievable this way. Okay, now that journaling is done, it is time to clean my room. I'm so excited. Okay. I am going to pick up my boyfriend. We're gonna go get something to eat. We wanted to go to the park, but it is raining. Everyone go follow me on Spotify. I make monthly playlists. She's really cute. She's got a lot of good songs on there. I think you guys would like it, so go give it a listen. Cute.
Hey.
Hi.
I put on a black jacket because I saw you were wearing a black jacket.
So now we're matching?
Yeah, now we're matching. What are we doing?
We're going to get food.
What are we doing? Oh, hello to the people.
That's what I say.
Kiss you on the cheek.
Thank you. Okay.
Do what you gotta do. Protect the makeup.
So true.
Go to Best Buy. Come on. Okay, we're gonna hop on the freeway.
What's that?
You look good.
I wanted to get my bangs trimmed today, but they were all full. They're all booked. We are finished shopping and now we're heading back to this man's house. Okay, goodbye. Why did you kiss me at the end of the song that's like, I hate you,
so you know
you're
that I
the
love
worst.
You. But this song though.
The lighting is terrible, hang on. Bradley just ran into the store to get some chips to bring to the party. I'm wearing this really fancy little short sparkly dress and these really fancy high ass heels. So I put Bradley's leather jacket on and just kind of did my hair up. I will see you at the party.
Got got to feel in heaven when my lover's near. Lord, let this moment last for another year. The night's still young, I'd say. Lover, don't go away. Let it be the thing.
Hi Ava, I have a surprise for you. We caught you in the background. Look at you guys. I'll send it to you, babe. I always wanted to be a YouTuber. Okay, mwah. It's 2023. Happy New Year. This
Happy
lighting
New
is
Year.
so bad. I hope everyone has an amazing New Year, an amazing 2023. I love you guys.
Here's to new love and old love, and to having much fun with friends.
And we will end it there, okay? Bye. I think I do this every time.
That I am longing for. Let's fly out from Manhattan to the California.